What's going on, guys? MixedSid here, back again for another summer cocktail. And today's summer cocktail, guys, is the Magners slush. Because it's another slush cocktail and it's easy to make, and I will show you guys how to make it. So get your bottle of Magners and your blender. So filled it with ice halfway full. Now we just need to blend it, but there's no socket. So let's go inside. Pour the Magners into our blender. So it's about half the glass. Now let's blend right into it. Let's go back outside. What you want to do now is get your hurricane glass and just pour straight into it. And simple as that, a Magners slush, perfect summer drink. How does it taste?
That no straw, straight in, loves it.
Now I want to enjoy it straight up. Kind of refreshing. Because it's nice, cider slush. Perfect summer day like this, nice and warm. Beautiful, you just can't beat a summer slush, can you? Cider slush, beautiful. That, guys, is how you make the Magners slush. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to MixedSid as we are on the road to 1K. We're very, very nearly there, though, because they're just over 30 away now from our goal of 1K before the year's out. And I do appreciate all your support throughout the last years, because it's been an excellent year, 2021. And I will see you guys for the next cocktail video. Cheers.